Good afternoon, sir. This is my video. The stability booklets contains a critical data and instruction related to a ship's stability, including ship particulars, dimension, displacement, and dead weight, hydrostatic properties, drop, trim heel angles, metacentric height values, stability criteria, and limits. And it ensures the ship operates within a safe stability limits, preventing capsizing or structural damage. It guides crew in proper loading, ballasting, and cargo handling to maintain seaworthiness. It provides necessary data to comply with maritime regulations, avoiding legal penalties. It helps emergency response. Managing damage, grounding or shifting cargo, protect lives, the vessels, and the marine environment. That's all. Thank you, sir.